Hey guys, welcome back. I'm finally sitting down to film another video after the flu hit our family. We were out for 2 weeks and then it took a whole nother week just to get back feeling better and energy. So I'm finally filming again. Today I wanted to do 5 easy ways to make yourself look younger. Just some easy tips and tricks that I like to do that help you look and feel younger. I mean, who doesn't want that? We all want to look younger, right? Let's get into it. The first thing I like to do is fill in my hairline. That's something a lot of people probably don't think about. People have kind of thin, just kind of not a lot of hair in this area for some reason on the side of our head. Or, you know, when you're aging, you kind of get a little hair loss and that's not cute. So this is the one that I've been using. It's called the Maybelline Pang Pang Hair Shadow. I got this on Amazon. So the top flips open, there's your shadow inside, and then the bottom is just this little sponge applicator, and you kind of just rub it in there and then just push it and kind of rub it into your hairline, and it is amazing. So I used to use just a dark brown eyeshadow for this. You can use an eyeshadow that matches, you can use whatever kind of powder you have, but this, for some reason, the applicator and just the formula of it, it works so well. And this is on Amazon for like 12 bucks. So I'll link it below. This is really great. They only have, I think, 4 shades. So if you can find your shade, that's great. And the shades are kind of weird. Their swatches on Amazon are kind of weird. This is shade 1. Yeah, shade 1, which in the picture looked like it wasn't going to match my hair, but I got it and it works. So that's amazing for that. So I really love doing that. And I mean, even if you have grays coming in, you can use that. Or sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I get a little bit of powder or foundation and it kind of just gets up into your hairline and looks kind of dull and weird. That's great for that too. So just filling in your hairline, it's a great tip. So my second tip for looking younger is using sheet masks. The last several years, sheet masks have really been popular. It seems like every brand is coming out with them. These are from Amazon. Again, who doesn't love Amazon Prime, right? Like, just get anything delivered to you 2 days. It's amazing. And you can find the best stuff for the best prices. So I'll link everything down below that I'm showing you guys. But these are from Amazon. You can get a pack of like 20, 30, 40, 50 of these, and they're less than $1 each. So there's different ones, like this one's strawberry. It says collagen essence mask. This is bamboo. This one's vitamin. We have a wine one, apricot. Like, they're all different and they smell different, but these are just really nice. So they're just a sheet shaped like a face with cutouts, and you just put them on and it kind of has the serum or the whatever treatment for your face in it. So what that does, you're going to put it on for 20 to 30 minutes. You're going to look really scary. So don't have anyone over when you're doing this unless they're doing it too, because you kind of look like a weird creepy mummy or something. So you're going to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and that just helps to get all the moisture into your skin. It really helps hydrate and moisturize your skin and give you that youthful glow. It really helps with like fine lines and wrinkles. It's not going to take them away completely, but doing a sheet mask 2 to 3 times a week really helps the appearance of your skin. I was getting this like line right here in my forehead, just like when I scrunch, you can see it right here. But it was kind of staying there all the time, and especially in pictures, I could see the shadow, and I was just like, this is not good. Like, I know I'm in my 30s, but I wasn't wanting wrinkles, and I don't want to get Botox. So just using sheet masks really helps just kind of hydrate the skin and give you that youthful appearance. And they're very cheap, and I don't know, it's just kind of fun to do. So that's my second tip. My third tip is to fill in your brows. Now, if you're not doing a whole lot of makeup, this is just an easy kind of way just to throw something in there if you don't have thick, full brows, because when you think of being youthful, you think of thick, luscious hair, and that includes your brows, right? So you want to get A pencil, you could do these. This is the Goof Proof pencil from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow pencil. This one's just a very, very fine tip. This one's more that little teardrop shape that I really like. Or you can get a tinted brow gel. You can get brow powder, just whatever you want to use. Even if you're not doing any other makeup, if you have sparse brows, just kind of maybe fill it in just a little bit. And that's just going to help frame your eyes and just make you look a little bit more like you're a little more youthful, you're a little younger, you don't have a problem with hair loss. Like, it's just gonna help, I feel like, give you a younger, more youthful appearance. So for my next tip, this is number 4, is to highlight. So today I have on these 2 Ofra highlighters. This is their old packaging, this is the new one, but it's like a little baby, so it's so cute. But this one is Rodeo Drive, and it's a really pretty gold, like champagne-y gold color. And then this one is Pillow Talk, and this is more pink. But I just combined these today for what I have on. But highlighting just gives you more that youthful kind of glow to the skin. Again, also with the hydrating with the sheet masks, it kind of plays on that, where you're adding a little bit more glow and just like a, ooh, I have dewy, glowy skin. I'm so fresh and young. Like, you know, it's just a way to kind of give that look. And you can just do it on just the high points of the cheekbone if you like. You can do what I do and do the tip of the nose right between here, in between the corners of your eyes. You could do above the Cupid's bow. You can even put some on your chin and forehead, and just kind of like the dewy look is in. So just using whatever kind of highlight you want to do that. Also, if you have more mature skin, or if you have any fine lines or wrinkles, I would go for a cream highlight and just kind of test it out, see what you like, and start with less. Like, you can always add, but you can't take it away as easy. So like, don't just grab it and just, you know, go crazy. Like, start with a little bit and work your way up and see what you like and see what works with your skin tone, with your skin type. And I think everyone can use a little highlight in their own way, in their own product, to just give you a little bit of that some glow, you know? So I really love highlighting. It's definitely added to my makeup routine in a good way, and I love it. So I think highlighting is here to stay. So my final 5th tip for you guys today to help you look younger is to not forget about your neck. So what I mean by that is, when you're doing your skincare routine, putting on moisturizers and serums on your face and stuff, don't forget your neck. Like, I bring that all the way down, neck and chest, and just kind of hydrate all of this skin. And then even too, when I do my makeup, I'll do some bronzer, I'll do some highlight. Like, you want glowing, youthful skin everywhere, not just on your face, right? So make sure you get the neck. And I feel like a lot of times we show our age in our neck first, like we get the wrinkles and kind of gets dry and like not cute. So like, just trying to keep this area looking great as long as we can. So doing something to help that. So hydrate with your facial serums and moisturizers, and using bronzers and highlights during the day is just going to really help preserve that skin. And also sunscreen for your face and your neck, but using sunscreen is just going to help protect your skin from the sun's rays, help with dark spots and wrinkles. So definitely do sunscreen. That's your 6th extra tip. I didn't have that on my list, but that's a good one. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little 5 quick tips of easy ways to look more young and youthful. I think that's something we can all use no matter what stage we're in. I hope you guys learned something cool in this video. And if you did, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like me to film next. Let me know if you have any requests. And also let me know if you have any tips for looking younger. I would love to know those as well. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.